has a mask on. Okay.
That doesn't even look like ours. Oh yeah, that's not
Duct
ours,
tape,
that's
the real way to build stuff. And put it together. That is not. Okay, that says. You can't see it, but it's supposed to be JJ. And it says Fort Rambo. But that's stupid. Okay. Hey, they're actually fighting. What happened? On your site? What? Today, Brandon is using the crappy shotgun, and Justin's using the crappy MP5.
This is amazing.
The crappy MP5. Anything spring is crappy. Why are you using that? Why didn't you bring your own? Why didn't you bring your M4?
Forgot.
You forgot? You can go back, you know. You got tons of time. You sure?
Yes.
No.
Stop, leave me
I'm following you. I'm following you. Go up in the fort. Let's get some real action.
Go away, I'll shoot you.
Why?
It's annoying. I'm trying to get.
Well, I'm not.
Brandon, you're dead and you're fat.
Okay, I'm gonna get down.
Go!
Why? That's your fault. Ow. I'll go in the woods.
Only if oh yeah. He's mad. Remember that fight there? That one thing?
I need to change masses. That's big.
Okay, well don't even use a mask then.
This hurts.
I think it might be locked. It's locked. Okay,
I can't breathe in this
okay,
thing.
okay. Go change.
Oh, I shot right in between.
Oh, that curved down. He's trying to hit me.
Hey, watch this. Yes!
You hit him?
Yes!
You actually hit him?
Yeah, I heard it pop off his jacket.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Brandon got his glasses.
You got your glasses?
Like, messed up.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
I hit Evan.
He hit Evan. Uh-oh.
Oh, hey. He's gonna nail us.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Brandon is down. He's coming!
No!
You two bags on the ground!
Take it hostage. Hey! Don't shoot him!
You made me do it, man! You made me do it!
Brandon!
Put the hands up on your head! Your hands on your head! Get up! Now get up! Put the gun down, Justin! Or he dies!
You put it down.
Okay. Brandon has to go potty. Pick up his gun, man!
Oh my god! Jump out, I'll kill you!
Okay. Everyone.
I'll kill you!
Okay.
You don't have the guts, man! You don't have the guts!
No!
You don't have the guts, man! You won't do it!
Oh my god!